Here's how to fix your iPhone camera if it's noisy, shaking, or blurry. Now, if you're on your camera and you're trying to take a photo or a video, but maybe it's blurry, it's not able to focus well, or maybe it's just a little shaky and basically you can't see what specifically is in that photo or video crisply and cleanly, I'll show you how to fix that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now on here, let's first just open up the photo or the camera app here. And on here, a couple different things. One is you can switch from video over to photo. Sometimes just resetting that, switching between video and photo, or switching the camera lens to be front facing versus back facing fixes an issue with the camera. So just kind of resetting that way. And then also swiping up and just closing out of the camera and opening up again. That's one thing that can oftentimes fix it. But also another issue is there's an issue with your case or screen protector. So on here at the very top, you can see the camera is at the very top, the little pill icon, and the back camera is right there. You might want to just take a cloth and kind of clean it out. Maybe take off the screen protector, take off the case, and see if that fixes any issues with your screen or with your camera being able to focus well and it not being blurry and all that. But there are some settings that you can change too. Let's go into settings here and we'll scroll down and tap on camera. And there are a couple different things we can do. Let's tap on record video here. And you can see here, one option is enhanced stabilization. It says video in cinematic mode will stabilize by slightly zooming in. Essentially, this means if you're taking especially a video that's zoomed in really far and your iPhone hand is kind of shaking a little bit, just naturally shaking, then it will zoom in a little bit and remove or reduce that to stabilize the image. This is really helpful also if you're kind of moving your iPhone around to help stabilize it. Another thing you might want to do is hit lock camera. This says do not automatically switch between cameras while recording. Sometimes it switches from one of your cameras to another one, and that causes kind of like a glitch or bug, and immediately your eye kind of sees something's different, something changed, and it kind of maybe is blurry for a second and then focuses. So I would recommend turning on this lock camera. Now, the next thing you can do is go back here. We'll tap on General and Software Update. If you have an update on here, I have 18.2. Just update the iOS operating system to get the latest version. Again, a lot of times this fixes bugs or glitches within the iPhone camera. And then if that doesn't fix it, let's just go back here and hit shut down at the very bottom. So turn off your phone. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and restarting it fixes issues on your iPhone, including with the camera. So turn it off and restart everything. If all of that doesn't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing is hitting transfer or reset, hitting on reset here, and choosing to reset all settings. Now, just enter in the passcode for your phone here, and you'll see that it gives you the ability to reset all of the settings back to factory default, including all the camera settings. A lot of times this fixes bugs or issues with the camera itself. If you go through this entire process and the camera just still isn't working, it's maybe blurry or shaking, or it's just not crisp and clear, then I would recommend taking it into Apple, having them plug it in and run some diagnostics to see if there's an issue with the physical camera itself, either the front camera or that back camera, and they'll walk you through the process to either replace it or fix it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.